Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the vibrant world of bangles, not just as a piece of jewelry but as a cultural symbol, a tradition, an art form, and an emotional statement that span centuries and continents. Whether made of glass, gold, metal, or thread, bangles have captivated hearts of generations. So, let's explore the journey of bangles from ancient civilization to modern fashion runways. Bangles have an incredibly rich history. Archaeological excavation from the Indus Valley civilization, dating back over 5,000 years, have uncovered bangles made of terracotta, shell, copper, and even ivory. In Mohenjo-daro, a famous statue of a dancing girl wearing a stack of bangles on one arm is considered a symbol of ancient craftsmanship. From Egypt to Mesopotamia, ancient civilizations used bangles as a status symbol and spiritual ornaments. For women in India, they weren't just decoration, they symbolized prosperity, health, and luck. Even today, certain communities in India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, and Sri Lanka pass down bangles as part of wedding rituals, a bridge between generations. In many cultures, bangles are more than just accessories. In Hinduism, married women often wear red and green glass bangles, which are believed to bring good fortune and safeguard the husband's life. In Punjabi weddings, brides wear chuda, a set of red and white ivory bangles, for several months after marriage. The sound of bangles, the gentle chime when hand moves, is said to ward off evil spirits and bring positive energy into the home. In South India, the gold valayal is a prized part of women's bride trousseau. In Bengal, Shekhapola, made of conch shell and red coral, are considered sacred. They aren't just ornaments, they carry emotion, tradition, and power. Let's talk about the different types of bangles. They vary greatly in material, design, and meaning. Glass bangles are colorful, delicate, and deeply symbolic. Metal bangles, like those made from brass, copper, or silver, are worn daily and often handmade. Gold bangles are timeless, a sign of wealth, purity, and family heritage. Leg bangles, popular in Rajasthan, are crafted from natural resin and often embedded with stones. Thread bangles offer vibrant textures and are especially popular among younger generations for their trendy appeal. Then there are kada, thicker bangles usually worn alone after symbolize strength and protection. Each type tells a story, reflects a culture, and speaks a unique design language. Behind every bangle lies the skilled hand of an artisan. In cities like Firozabad in India, entire communities are devoted to glass bangle making. Molten glass is shaped into perfect circles and treated carefully to avoid breaking. It's dangerous, hot, and highly skilled work. Gold and silver bangles are handcrafted by jewelers who often spend days on intricate patterns, stone inlays, and polishing. Each piece represents hours of dedication, ancestral knowledge, and artistic mystery passed down for generations. Today, bangles have crossed cultural boundaries. Designers worldwide now include bangles in their collection, mixing traditional elements with contemporary styles. In urban fashion, women wear stacked bangles with western outfits for a fusion look. Bangles made from recycled material, acrylic wood, or 3D printed design are taking center stage. Celebrities and influencers flaunt bangles at weddings, festivals, and red carpets, showing how this ancient accessory continues to evolve. Whether it's minimalist curves or elaborate bridal sets, bangles remain timeless in their appeal. So, what makes bangles truly special? It's their ability to connect generations. to reflect identity, to carry traditions, and to shine with both elegance and meaning. Whether worn with pride, love, or remembrance, bangles are more than adornment. They are memory, they are heritage, they are a timeless celebration of life. Thanks for joining us on this journey through tradition and time. Subscribe for more untold stories of culture and